Welcome to a new era of exterior design. For decades, the high-end outdoor kitchen was considered a luxury reserved strictly for sprawling estates and massive backyards. But the philosophy of modern outdoor living has fundamentally shifted. Today we are exploring the immense potential of the ridiculously small patio. True luxury is no longer measured by sheer square footage. It is measured by the density of design intelligence and the uncompromising quality of materials. A tiny courtyard, a narrow side yard, or a compact urban terrace can be transformed into a breathtaking bespoke culinary space. You do not need an acreage to entertain elegantly. You simply need a vision that prioritizes curation over clutter. When designing for a micro-footprint, materiality becomes your most vital tool. Because the space is intimate, every surface is observed up close. There is absolutely nowhere to hide subpar finishes. We anchor these compact spaces with a sophisticated, high-contrast material palette. Custom rough-sawn cedar introduces a necessary biophilic warmth. Whether utilized in the cabinetry or towering overhead as a custom pergola, cedar provides organic texture and architectural structure. To elevate this warmth to a luxury standard, we pair it with thick slabs of veined marble, like Calicata or Carrara. The cool, crisp elegance of a thick marble countertop with a waterfall edge instantly signals high-end, bespoke design. In a small space, shiny, highly reflective surfaces can quickly overwhelm the eye and make the area feel chaotic. This is why the modern micro-oasis relies heavily on matte black stainless steel for its appliances and fixtures. Matte black absorbs light rather than reflecting it, creating a sleek, receding visual profile. A matte black grill station offers professional-grade culinary performance without dominating the visual landscape of your tiny patio. When nestled between the bright white of the marble and the warm tones of the cedar, matte black grounds the design. It is sophisticated, understated, and unapologetically modern. The quickest way to ruin a beautifully designed small patio is to crowd it with oversized, bulky furniture. Alfresco dining in a compact space requires immense restraint. The goal is to maintain spatial flow. We achieve this by selecting minimalist dining sets that are visually lightweight. Think of slender teak frames, wire mesh seating, or even transparent acrylic chairs that seem to disappear into the background. By choosing a small round table or utilizing an overhang on your marble counter for bar seating, you preserve the open, airy feeling of the yard. It proves that you can host an unforgettable dinner party without making your guests feel trapped. Scaling down the footprint does not mean sacrificing the features that make entertaining effortless. High-end, compact design is all about clever integration. One of the most requested features in luxury outdoor design right now is the integrated wine fridge. By building a sleek glass-front beverage center directly into your custom cedar cabinetry, you elevate the guest experience immediately. It transitions the space from a mere cooking station into a fully functional, sophisticated outdoor lounge. Everything you need is at arm's reach, perfectly chilled, and beautifully displayed beneath your thick marble counters. Creating an ultimate luxury outdoor kitchen in a small space is an exercise in intentionality. It requires us to edit ruthlessly and invest heavily in the details that remain. By combining custom cedar architecture, thick marble surfaces, and matte black appliances, you can turn any tiny patio into an exclusive culinary retreat. Embrace your limited square footage. Scale down the size, but elevate the standard. Thank you for joining us on this design journey.